Hey guys, hello lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube page. Today we're going to be doing and learning some yoga poses that can help us improve our splits. This is my first split, no warm-up, nothing, absolutely nothing. But guys, observe the splits and the one we're going to do at the end of the video. The first pose I'd like you guys to try out is this half split, but not just in half split, but you're rocking up and down. So try to do it on both sides, on your right leg and on your left leg. Keep lengthening out your hamstrings and your glutes, and just go as you can go. Now the next one we're going to be doing is half pigeon. So guys, just fully be in the pose, adjust yourself as needed, and just stay in half pigeon. Half pigeon has a way of stretching the glutes, stretching your back, and at the same time stretching your legs. So half pigeon is a very good hip opener too. It has a way of helping to loosen our tension around your legs and around your glutes. So guys, we cannot do on one side and not do on the other side. And please guys, I apologize because I was making this video and I was not aware that someone was going to come here, so I just didn't want to stop the video, and that's why I continued. But guys, please forgive the distractions, but focus on how to get the splits. The third pose we're doing is lizard pose. And lizard pose has a way of deepening the stretch and opening up your inner thighs and opening up the glutes to allow you sit in the splits longer. So guys, what I just did was I went from low lizard to high lizard. And guys, you want to be in the pose, open up, relax yourself, and see all the things you can do to help you open up that leg area. Now guys, we're going to go to high lizard on the other leg, sitting in it and opening up that other side, because guys, in splits you want to balance out your splits. You don't want one side to be more open than the other, so that's why it's very important for you to do on both sides. And after that, I went straight into a low lizard and I just brought my body weight down and just sat into my groin area and just really focus on how I was feeling. Now guys, another way you can do this is by breathing. Take slow breaths in each of these poses because it helps you to go into the pose deeper. Now guys, I'm going to try the first splits again. I'm going to go, this is just halfway into it, and I'm going into splits. Now guys, you see that from the beginning when I started this video, the splits I'm doing now and the split I started with before is not the same thing. There's been some kind of opening, there's been some kind of warm-up, and my splits have kind of opened up a bit. So guys, we're going to continue the stretch by going into splits on the other leg. And now guys, it's always good to balance out on both the left and the right side of your body. It's okay, some people are more flexible on their left than they are on their right, and that's different from everybody. Now guys, I went into middle splits. Now guys, immediately after all the warm-up with all those poses and trying those other ones, you see that instantly you can be able to try your middle splits. So guys, I just tried the middle split and it has opened up my leg area. The next pose you can try to improve your split is this frog pose. Now in this frog pose, you want to take your leg to the opposite direction of the room and you want to sit into your hips and just allow your legs to open up outside. Now guys, frog pose is a little intense, and that's why you have to do it when you are warmed up a little. So guys, after the warm up, I just came up, sat down and took a deep breath, and after the frog pose I went back to the splits again just to go into it deeper and see how far that I have improved. So guys, always remember that you can go from there all the way down. You see, the splits is now open. It's better than when I started. So guys, remember to always warm up, remember to do all that.